mathematicians. In today's video, we will learn about divisibility and we will learn from 2 to 12. So focus and concentrate on that and learn it. It will be really helpful for your exams. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Comment below if you have any doubts. And press the bell icon to get my future notifications. Please check my other videos too. Let's get started.
First of all, we'll learn the divisibility rules of 2. If the last digit of the number is even, like 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then the whole number is divisible by 2.
In 158, 8 is even and it is the last digit of the number. So 158 is divisible by 2. In 987, 7 isn't even and it is also the last digit of this number. So 987 is not divisible by 2.
For the divisibility rule of 3, you need to check if the sum of all the numbers is divisible by 3. If it is, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Take a look at these. In 168, the sum is 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. So 168 is divisible by 3.
Okay, 982 and the sum of all these numbers isn't divisible by 3. So 982 is not divisible by 3, right?
Yeah. For the divisibility rule of 4, you need to check if the numbers formed by the last two digits are divisible by 4. If they are, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay, in 148, 48 is the number created, and it's divisible by 4. So 148 is divisible by 4.
Okay, 131. 31 is the last two numbers, and it's not divisible by 4. So 131 is not divisible by 4, okay?
Yeah.
Now let's look at the divisibility rule of 5. If the last number is 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. Here are a few examples. In 140, the last digit is 0, so 140 is divisible by 5. In 167, 7 is the last number and it's not 0 or 5. That's why 167 isn't divisible by 5.
If the whole number is divisible by 2 and 3, and you guys already know the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. Look at this example. For 10902, 1 plus 0 plus 9 plus 0 plus 2, which is 12, is divisible by 3. And the last digit, which is 2, is divisible by 2. So 10902 is divisible by 6.
Now we will learn the divisibility rule of 7. We need to look at the last digit of the number, then multiply the last digit by 5. Then plus it with the remaining number and see if you get a number divisible by 7. Repeat if needed to find a number divisible by 7. Here is one example. 1 times 5 is 5. 65 plus 5 is 70, which is divisible by 7. You can see some more examples of this rule and some other numbers in our other videos.
Do you know the divisibility rule of 8? Well, in order to know the divisibility rule of 8, you need to check if the last three digits are divisible by 8. In 109816, 816 divided by 8 is 102. So the number 109816 is divisible by 8.
Oh, now I understand. 302 is not divisible by 8, so this whole number is not divisible by 8, right?
Yeah. For the divisibility rule of 9, the sum of all the digits should be divisible by 9, just like the divisibility rule of 3. For 81, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 9, so 81 is divisible by 9.
Okay. 127. 1 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 10, and 10 isn't divisible by 9, so 127 isn't divisible by 9.
Yes, correct. Digit of the whole number is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. In 2860, the last number is 0, and according to the rule, 2864 is divisible by 10.
Oh, okay. In 2567, the last digit is 7, and 2567 is not divisible by 10 because the last digit isn't 0.
For the divisibility rule of 11, you need to take the last digit and subtract it from the remaining. Then check if the answer you got is divisible by 11. For 132, subtract 2 from 13 and you get 11, which is divisible by 11. So 132 is divisible by 11.
Oh, okay. 36 minus 5 is 31, and 31 isn't divisible by 11. So 365 isn't divisible by 11, right?
Yeah. Last but not least, we learned the divisibility rule of 12. You need to check if the whole number is divisible by 3 and divisible by 4. You guys already know the divisibility rule of 3 and 4, right? In 144, 1 plus 4 plus 4 is 9, which is divisible by 3, and 44 is divisible by 4. So 144 is divisible by 12.
Oh, okay. Now I understand the divisibility rules from 2 to 12.
Hope you liked the video. Comment below if you have any doubt. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Stay tuned for my future videos. Bye-bye.